We have moved more than 10 youth prisons when we had more than 10 youth prisons and over 10,000 incarcerated young people. Now we have 3 facilities and 800 youth. Last year, we supported the governor's proposal to move DJJ to the Health and Human Services Agency. This year, the administration has proposed to close DJJ and move all youth locally. It seems right that such a small system, smaller than a middle school, can be realigned to the counties. But it isn't just about DJJ realignment, it's about DJJ's realignment the right way. Counties have been handling the vast majority of young people who could be sent to DJJ, but they are kept locally, so we know that it can be done. While we may support a realignment youth to the county, we are not realigning the responsibility or oversight and accountability. With 58 diverse counties, oversight is critical to ensure that we are not creating justice by geography. We want the consistent delivery of excellent rehabilitative programming. Standards are adhered to and data is collected to measure progress. Racial disparities continue to be a problem as Black and brown youth are overrepresented at all stages of the juvenile justice. Oversight of programs and practices can help to reduce these disparities. Our juvenile system is a better system than it was 10 years ago. But what we do with this proposal will help determine whether we can continue on this positive trajectory. While this is the governor's proposal, this subcommittee cares very much about making sure that the right goals and safeguards are in place. And our primary goal here isn't to save money when the lives of our children are at stake. It's more important that we do what's right and what's responsible. And if we do that right and responsible, the savings of lives and the savings of dollars will come. Moving forward, we hope to get